we look at an example of PyTorch. So in this example we would run a dummy deep learning neural network, a regression network, and convert a Cylon table into a PyTorch tensor so that we could feed data directly into the PyTorch model. The example is available on the demo PyTorch distributed, and let me walk you through the example. It again starts off with by creating a Cylon context, and by creating a Cylon context, the Cylon execution would then happen in an MPI managed environment. All the Cylon workers would be managed by MPI, and then these MPI workers would read files from the data directory and then performs a join, and then we would use that joined table in a distributed data parallel execution in PyTorch, and then run a simple dummy model, like this, which has 2 layers. We would want to demonstrate how to convert a Cylon table into a PyTorch tensor mainly, and then to feed it in a distributed fashion. So just like the previous example, we would read the tables, we would read the CSV files, create the joined output in a Cylon table, and then convert it into NumPy, and in this 2 NumPy method we would try our best to convert it in a 0 copy manner, and then from the ND array here we create the PyTorch tensor and then feed it into the distributed data parallel execution with the simple model. And the training happens in 20 epochs here. Let's see how that runs. The execution is almost identical to the previous example, and when we run it, let's see how it goes. So this would, now it has read, and then we are running some dummy epochs up to until I think 20, and so this demonstrates how we could feed a Cylon table into PyTorch simply.